Let us begin with Python programming. The first program which we are going to do today is a Python program to check whether a person is a valid voter or not. Who is the valid voter? Whose age is greater than equal to 18 is a valid voter in India. So, what we have to ask for it? We have to ask the age from the user. Now, I have already written the program for you here in the Python. Just have a look on the Python program. First line, age is equals to int, input, enter your age. Age is a variable. Equal to is the assignment operator. And on the right hand side what we have, inner function will be solved first. Input, enter your age. When we execute this program, just I will execute it for you and then we will understand this program. Here it is, enter your age. Suppose I have entered as 12 and I press enter. You are not a valid voter. Once again I will execute it. Here I am executing the program. Enter your age. Suppose this time I have entered 45 and press enter. What is the message you are seeing on the screen? It is you are a valid voter. Now we have to see the coding. We have to understand the coding, how it worked. First line, what is required? We have to require the age. So with the help of input, we are accepting the value from the user, enter your age. Input is a function and we know the rule. It accepts value in the form of string. That is why we have to convert it into int. So int is a function which will convert string value to the integer one. And whatever the value is, it will be stored in age variable. Next line, if age is greater than equal to 18, if is a condition. Now here in the program we have seen at a time only one statement will be executed. Either you are a valid voter or you are not a valid voter. All the statements will not be executed. So what we have to do? We have to check the condition. We have to check the condition with the help of if. After if you are writing the condition, this condition can either be true or false. It means it returns Boolean value. If age is greater than equal to 18, it means if the condition comes out to be true, then what is executed? You are a valid voter. If the condition comes out to be false, then what is executed? You are not a valid voter. Here in this program we have noticed a change. What is that change? Indentation. Print is written little right side of the if, that is, it is indented. Why we have to do the indentation? To create a block, to indicate that whatever we have to print, it comes under the if statement, and this is executed with the help of the colon. After if, when we write the colon, it means we have certain statements which are to be executed and we have to mention it under if. Indentation generally 4 spaces are there in that. Here in the else also you can see a colon. Now you understand it is a two-way branching. Two-way branching means after if you have to write the condition, and condition can be either true or false. So accordingly the result will be displayed.